Welcome back, everybody. So today I'll be installing an AC port plug. So for those of you that already know how I'm getting power to the shop is with this quad box. I made a video on how to make that quad box. I could leave you the link in the description at the bottom, but this is how I've been powering the shop. Then the cord goes out the window. And I could power this either with the generator, or I have a longer extension cord that reaches the garage. Now this isn't your average cheap extension cord. That is 12 gauge wire. So in the winter time, you see this, I have to tape this off, and I don't want to do that anymore. So the goal is to drill out a 2-inch hole in this area. So let's open this package, take a look inside. So this one does bring the hole saw. It's a cheapy one. Probably be good for 1 or 2 holes. Now, the reason why, they have several ones online, but the reason why I chose this one was because they had the specs, and that's what I was looking for. I was looking for what was the wire gauge. All the other ones that I saw, they weren't giving that information, so I was kind of iffy on getting it. So I made this purchase instead. Brings 6 screws and 2 cable clamps. So this one here is a black, but they do sell this in red and a silver gray. So if you look here, this rubber piece here, this is also acts as a gasket. It's a nice, very thick rubber there. I like that. And also, I can tell you this, I feel the quality. Now, supposedly, the cable length is 20-inch, but that's not true. That's the overall length is 20-inch. Your actual cable length is only 16-inch. I am a little skeptical on this. I had a desk video that I made. I made a desk for my daughter, and I filmed that video, and I had purchased some grommets, and the grommets came with, looks like exactly this same hole saw. This hole saw, I made 2 holes, and that was it. It was over with. It started to smell like burnt. Okay, I found the 2-inch hole saw that I was talking about. And let's get this open. Yeah, as I was saying, they look pretty much identical. Yeah, I think it's the same company. This one doesn't have any writing on it, but they're from the same company. The hole saw that came with our AC port is 53 millimeter. After you figure out where you want it, I want it in this corner right here. I also want it high enough where my cable isn't on the ground. Okay, let's get it nice and leveled there. Pre-drill. Yeah, looking good. I like that. Has a nice suction as well. Here's how it looks on the opposite side. Now for the next step, this is probably the most important part. Don't plug nothing in until you do this. This is an outlet tester and a GFCI tester. I'll leave you the link to this as well. What you want to do is plug it in. Now we're plugging in our shed, our shop, or our RV. Two greens mean everything's wired correct. And the reason why I said to check it with a tester is because when I purchased this product, I was looking at the reviews and someone said that theirs was wired incorrect. Don't know if that was true, but I recommend if you purchase this product, then you should have one of these. Whether you purchase this product or not, you should own one of these regardless. This one is a transmitter and a receiver. It's about $40 when I purchased it. I believe it's about the same price still. This is the transmitter and this is the receiver. The transmitter even has a chart, which it will let you know if there's an issue, what is the issue. Now I can stay warm in the winter. Keep this window closed. That's my video. I like the product. It feels very good quality, and also that was only $20. And this is not a sponsored video. I purchased that with my own money, but if you make a purchase through the link I provide at the bottom, I get a small kickback, absolutely no cost to you. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, hit that bell icon, and I'll see you on the next one. You have yourself a good one.